Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials. Make sure your account and region support shorts and that you're signed into the right profile. Update the YouTube app and once done, clear the app cache and restart the device to remove temporary glitches. If shorts still don't appear, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network restrictions. These quick checks isolate whether the issue is account, app, or network related, so you know which path to take next. Now inspect the videos themselves. Shorts must be vertical, under 60 seconds, and ideally include hash shorts. That's how YouTube classifies them. Make sure each clip is set to public and has no age restrictions or policy strikes that block surfacing. If metadata looks correct, edit the title or description to trigger reindexing, or upload a trimmed version to force processing. While waiting, monitor the YouTube Studio analytics and processing indicators, so you can see whether indexing or policy enforcement is the bottleneck. For final steps, reset app permissions and reinstall YouTube, or sign into a different device or account to isolate account versus device problems. If the problem persists, gather evidence, timestamps, screenshots, and a short screen recording, then report a bug through YouTube Help so support can escalate it. As a practical troubleshooting tip, upload a plain 10-second test short with minimal metadata. If that one appears, you've narrowed the issue to the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.